Black rice is also known as forbidden rice, is one of the most nutritious food in the world. US man undergoes rupees 55 lakh surgery to increase his height from 5'11 to 6'1. He said that 5'11 is great height, but he wanted a little more than that. A purple potato that tastes like a normal potato but looks like the universe. The world record for the time without sleep is 264 hours by Randy Gardner in 1965. Violin bows are commonly made from horse hair. Being alone for a while is dangerous. Once you see how peaceful it is, you don't want to deal with people anymore, said by Tom Hardy. Moon is moving away from Earth at the speed of the growth of human nails. In North Korea, the sentence for getting caught watching porn is death. In 1911, inmates on death row played baseball for their lives. If they won, execution was delayed. If they lost, their execution went ahead as scheduled. This is Cherukara railway station at Kerala. Beauty of nature makes this picture 100 times more beautiful. And airplanes pilot and co-pilot eat different meals just in case one causes food poisoning. If you are trying to quit smoking, go to a sauna bath 3 days in a row. You will sweat out the nicotine and it will be easier to quit. In the Philippines, there is an island with a lake that has an island in it, which has its own lake, which has its own small island in it. It is called Tall Lake. No engineering degree, yet they built their house with the proper dimension and accuracy. They are nature's engineer. This is a 3.2 billion pixel space camera that can take the largest single image in the world. In 2014, a man in Arizona stole a diamond worth $160,000 and traded it for a bag of marijuana worth $20. Secondly, a very large population is dependent on agriculture, which also plays a very important part in its national income. In 2014, the World Bank estimated that 47% of the Indian population was engaged in agriculture and its contribution to the national income was 17%. The brain eats itself from lack of sleep. This lemon in a restaurant comes with a mess wrap, so the seeds won't fall into your food when you squeeze it. As soon as I turned off the fans to hear what the other people were talking about, the person next to me started screaming, and then so did the other people in the helicopter. A couple from Visakhapatnam, India, who lost their 2 daughters in a boat mishap on September 15, 2019, were blessed with twin daughters exactly 2 years later on September 15, 2021. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.